Jai Sri Swaminarayan, SSGM School CBSE runs by Sri Sahajanand Gurukul Mankuwa heartily welcomes you to this online education platform. Students of class 9, today we will continue our chapter number 4 in our English subject, that is a truly beautiful mind. This is the fourth part of this chapter, and in our previous 3 video we discussed about Albert Einstein, about his life, about his career and about his achievement. So, in this video lecture we will also discuss about this chapter, about the rest of the paragraph of this chapter. So, within this introduction and within this beginning, let us begin the reading and explanation of the chapter. So, students, please open your textbook, page number 49 and the last paragraph, that is point number 14. So, when the Nazis came to power in Germany in 1933, Einstein immigrated to the United States. So, here the word immigrated, it means to shift from one's own country to the another country permanently, यानी कि अपनी जो कंट्री है उस कंट्री में से किसी और कंट्री में परमानेंटली शिफ्ट हो जाना, उस जगह पर रहने के लिए चले जाना. सो what happened? Einstein immigrated to the United States of America in 1933 when the Nazis came into power. So here the Nazis is one of the dictatorial concept, and one of the famous ruler of Nazis, that is Adolf Hitler. We all know about the name, that is Adolf Hitler. So when Nazis came to power in Germany, Einstein shifted to United States of America. Okay. 5 years later, the discovery of nuclear fission in Berlin had American physicists in an uproar. So here the word in an uproar, it means very upset. So what happened? After a 5 year, the discovery of nuclear fission in Berlin. So Nazis built the nuclear bomb. What is nuclear fission? It is the process of making nuclear bomb, making nuclear atomic bomb. Okay. So in the 1933 and after 5 years of the Nazism, the nuclear fission was discovered, and with this discovery all the scientists were in uproar. It means very upset. Why? Because many of them had fled from fascism just like as Einstein had, and now they were afraid the Nazis could build and use an atomic bomb. So many of the scientists also shifted to from their own country to the America. Why? Because another dictatorial concept, that is fascism, and the famous ruler of fascism was Mussolini. What? Mussolini. And it is described. ये कहाँ उद्भव हुआ था? ये इटली यानी कि यूरोप में स्टार्ट हुआ था, एस्टेब्लिश्ड हुआ था. सो जस्ट लाइक अल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन, many other scientists also shifted permanently to United States because of the fear of the fascism and Nazism. Okay. So next, at the urging of a colleague, Einstein wrote a letter to the American President Franklin D. Roosevelt on 2nd August 1939, in which he warned. So at the urging, it means by the request of his colleagues, Albert Einstein wrote a letter to the American President, that is Franklin D. Roosevelt. Okay. So at that time the President of America was Franklin D. Roosevelt, and Einstein's colleague request to Albert Einstein to write a letter to the President of America. So he wrote and warned in this letter that a single bomb of this type exploded in a port might very well destroy the whole port together with some of the surrounding territory. So what he wrote in the letter, he wrote and warned to the United States of America's president, that is Franklin D. Roosevelt, that this is a very massive bomb. It is a very dangerous bomb, and this type of bomb, if any country dropped it, any other country, it exploded in a pod, यानी कि बहुत सारा जो क्षेत्र है उसको वो डिस्ट्रॉय कर सकता है, और might very well destroy the whole pod together with some of the surrounding territory, यानी कि जिधर वो गिरा है उसके आसपास के कहीं ऐसे राज्य, कहीं ऐसे क्षेत्र को भी ये क्या कर सकता है, डिस्ट्रॉय कर सकता है. ओके, so his words did not fail to have an effect. So what he wrote in later, it made effect on the president of America, and the Americans developed the atomic bomb in a secret project of their own and dropped it on the Japanese city of Hiroshima and Nagasaki in August 1945. So what happened? The words of Albert Einstein make effect on the president of America, and the Americans developed the atomic bomb in a secret project, and he developed it, and also he dropped 2 atomic bomb on the Japanese city. Do not forget that Japan is a country, and in Japan's 2 biggest city, that is Hiroshima and Nagasaki, what happened in that country? The American dropped 2 atomic bomb in that country, that is Hiroshima and Nagasaki, in the year 1945 and month August. So with this disaster, Einstein was deeply shaken by the extent of the destruction. So with this happening, Einstein was deeply hurt and deeply shaken by this destruction and this disaster of human by human, यानी कि मानव के द्वारा ही अपने मानव समुदाय का नाश होते देखकर आइंस्टाइन बहुत क्या हुए थे, हर्ट हुए थे, बहुत दुखी हो गए थे. In it he proposed the formation of, this time he wrote a public missive to the United Nations. So what he do? He wrote another letter. Here the word massive means letter, specially long and official. So at that time, Albert Einstein wrote a long and official letter to the United Nations, and in this letter, in it, he proposed the formation of a world government. So in this letter, Albert Einstein requested to the United Nations to